Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Just a very quick update on the Sony A7 IV and its latest firmware update that doesn't work. So I was trying to update my camera to the newest firmware, which is version 1.10, but the problem was that Sony's making you update to an intermediate version 1.05, that it seems that it came out at the same time as version 1.10. Sony's website doesn't really say of any improvements that version 1.05 has, other than you have to update to that one first before you can get to version 1.10. And that applies to anyone who has version 1.01 or version 1.00, which is most of us owners of Sony A7 IVs. And I had never heard of version 1.05 come out at all. So if you have heard it before and you updated to that, let me know when that came out. And if you have updated to that, what improvements have you seen on your Sony A7 IV? Let me know in the comments below. I was going to make this video originally about how you can go ahead and update your Sony A7 IV, since Sony also changed the way that you update your firmware. In the previous update version 1.01, you had to use either a Windows computer or a Mac computer, and you had to download a driver on your computer depending on which system you're on. And from this one, they don't have that option anymore. You have to use your SD card or your CF Express card, download that data file into your card, and then execute that file directly in your camera, which in my opinion is an easier process, so I welcome that. But I was trying to do that, and this is the message that I got from Sony. It was confirmed that some products that updated may not operate properly in some cases. Distribution will be suspended until we can inform you of a modified version. Dated August 24th, 2022. And at the time of the making of this video is August 24th, 2022, 9:43 p.m. When I found out about this new update, it was August 23rd at nighttime. So yes, right here it says on Sony's website, August 23rd, 2022. So I'm a little bit disappointed at this. I was hoping that this new update would improve some of the overheating issues that we've been seeing across the board on the Sony A7 IV. There are select people that haven't had this issue. I had a few people comment in some of my previous Sony A7 IV videos that they have been able to shoot on the Sony A7 IV continuous video without it overheating, even in hot environments like in Thailand. Whereas others have had the complete opposite experience of the camera just overheating just straight off the bat. For myself, I'm a bit in the middle. I've been able to use my camera professionally even with no problems after I turn my auto temp setting to high and just shoot with the screen flipped out at all times. So now it seems like a bunch of users have downloaded this firmware update and now their camera is unusable, which sucks. I have a project that I need to film with my Sony A7 IV just 2 days from now, and I was going to perform this update. So thankfully that some others unfortunately had to go through this process of updating this camera before I did, so that Sony sent this announcement that, well, this doesn't work and your camera is not going to work after this update, which is unfortunate for them, but that's why I'm making this video, so that you do not make the same mistake and that you do not update your camera yet to version 1.10 until you hear otherwise from Sony. So if you're watching this video today, maybe things have changed. Let me know in the comments below if they have changed or if Sony has addressed this issue. I would love to know. And this is just very unfortunate. The A7 IV is, in my opinion, a professional hybrid camera, so Sony needs to do better at providing proper support and addressing issues on this camera. So anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something from this and that it prevented you from performing this firmware update if you're watching this video before anything has changed. So if you haven't liked this video or if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, you like this video, and I'll see you next time, hopefully when this is fixed. Until next time.